Hello everyone, wish you a very good morning to all of you. Here I am your math teacher. Now as usual we are going to start our math class. As you know that last day we have solved exercise 11D. We have solved some word problems on subtraction in measures of length. Now today we are going to solve exercise 11E. 5 word problems been given under exercise 11E. All these word problems are based on the subtraction in measures of length. So the subtractions are given in the form of word problems. So just read the word problems and find the answer, making the calculation. Look at the first word problem. 1. A roll of rope contains 86 meter, 35 meter of rope. A roll of rope contains 86 meter, 35 centimeter of rope. If 37 meter, 72 centimeter of rope is used, then what length of the rope is left behind? What is the total length? The total length of the rope is 86 meter, 35 centimeter, from which 37 meter, 72 centimeter of rope is used. कितना था? The length of rope was 86 meter. 86 meter and 35 centimeter. So here meter and centimeter, these two units we are getting. For this we should arrange the number into these two columns respectively, meter and centimeter column. And a bigger number, the total length of the rope is 86 meter, 35 centimeter. So this number has to be on the top, and then write 37 meter, 72 centimeter. So this length of rope should be subtracted. 37 meter, 72 centimeter should be subtracted from 86 meter, 35 centimeter. Let's subtract. Start subtracting from centimeter column, this column. 5 minus 2, that is 3. Here 3 minus 7. So we should consider 3 as 13 by borrowing 1 from the neighbor's position. So 13 minus 7, that means 6. Now here we are left with 5, the ones position of meter column, 5. 5 minus 7, we can't subtract 7 from 5. That is why we should borrow 1 from the neighbor's position, from the tens position of meter column. So here we are left with 7. You know that how to subtract. So 15 minus 7 equal to 8 and 7 minus 3 equal to 4. So 48 meter, 63 centimeter of the rope. This is the length of the rope that is left behind. Okay. So this is the answer. Write the answer in final statement such as 48 meter, 63 centimeter rope is left behind. Okay, now move on to next question. Question number 2. The distance between two towns. The distance between two towns is 682 kilometer, 800 meter. A bus has covered 391 kilometer, 282 meter distance. How much distance is left to be covered? Total distance 682 kilometer, 800 meter. And the distance covered by the bus is 391 kilometer, 282 meter. So how much distance is left to be covered? Subtraction, simple subtraction. We can simply subtract 300, that means the distance covered by the bus, that is 391 kilometer, 282 meter, from 682 kilometer, 800 meter. So kilometer and meter, these two columns need to be arranged. Kilometer, meter. Write the total distance 682 kilometer, 800 meter. Okay. So let's subtract the distance covered by the bus, 391 kilometer 282 meter. We are getting 8, here 1, here 3, 5, 5, 1, 9, 2, 2. 291 kilometer 518 meter. That is the answer. Okay. How to borrow? You know that. We have already understood subtraction with borrowing and without borrowing. So with borrowing is very important. We should borrow we should borrow 1 from the neighbor's position, because you know that if the upper number is smaller than the lower number, then borrowing is applicable. We should borrow the numbers. Okay, now move on to 3. What is the word problem? What problem mean? The subtraction or addition, uh, or multiplication, division, whatever the operation are, the problems are given in words. That is why we are considering it as word problem. Okay, now 3. Mohan jogs 7 kilometer 600 meter in the morning, 5 kilometer 212 meter in the evening. How much more does he jog in the morning? Morning पर 7 kilometer 600 meter Mohan can jog. Jog means walk. Mohan walked 7 kilometer 600 meter in the morning. In the evening, he covered 5 kilometer 212 meter while jogging. So how much more does he jog in the morning? तो कौन सा मॉर्निंग पर कितना ज़्यादा जॉग्स कर रहा है मोहन, तुम्हें ढूंढना होगा. So kilometer and meter, arrange the amount into 2 columns. 7 kilometer 600 meter, 5 kilometer 212 meter. So 7 kilometer 600 meter, this is the distance jogged by Mohan in the morning, in morning time. 5 kilometer 212 meter, this distance covered by Mohan in the evening. So here the question is, how much more does he jog in the morning? So morning पर ज़्यादा है. Now subtract to find the answer. 8, 8. Here we are getting 3. 388, and here 2. 2 kilometer 388 meter. This is the distance that is covered more in the morning by Mohan. That is jogged by Mohan in the morning. So morning और इवनिंग पर जो डिस्टेंस जो डिफरेंस है, जो डिस्टेंस में जो डिफरेंस है वही आंसर हो जाएगा. तो डिफरेंस ढूंढने के लिए तुम्हें सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा. ओके, नाउ 4. If a wire is 58 meter 20 centimeter long and 36 meter of it is used for fencing, how much wire is left over? Subtraction, simple subtraction, meter, centimeter. These 2 units been given. For these 2 units, 2 columns should be arranged. Write 58 meter 20 centimeter, from which 36 meter should be subtracted. So only meter been given. The used wire For fencing, the length is 36 meter only. So put 0 in the centimeter column. So 22 22 meter 20 centimeter. This is the answer. Here no need to borrow. Here the subtraction without borrowing. Now the final one you can solve easily. So all the word problems must solve these word problems in your math copy and then send to my WhatsApp number. That's all. Thank you.